Welcome back to the original R&D laboratory. Today we are sharing more about the original Resveratrol. One of the key ingredients in the original Resveratrol is the Resveratrol extracted from the Pinot Noir, the king of grapes from Languedoc-Roussillon, France. Each bunch of grapes is hand-picked, selected and certified by a quality control team to ensure the finest quality of the raw ingredients. First of all, the freshly flown-in grapes from France are fed into the freeze dryer, where the different parts of the Pinot Noir grapes are quickly lyophilized. The freeze-dried Pinot Noir grapes are ground to a fine powder using a pulverizer 20 variable speed rotary mill and stored in a cold room at -20 degrees Celsius. This time, we chose to use supercritical fluid extraction. When the temperature and pressure of the fluid exceed the critical point, the fluid created is known as supercritical fluid. Supercritical fluids are not liquids or gases, but have the properties of both, with high solvency power, low viscosity and high diffusion, so they can penetrate into substances effectively. The temperature and pressure are controlled to achieve the optimum extraction of the material. We use the machine model Speed SFE Prime for supercritical fluid extraction of Resveratrol. Prior to extraction, the R&D team mixes 6 grams of Resveratrol sample in a 50 milliliter extraction vessel, adds 7 to 10% ethanol as a co-solvent and places 3 layers of degreased polypropylene cloth on the opposite end of the Speed SFE Prime to start the supercritical extraction. Previously, different flow rates and methods were investigated using HPLC techniques in combination with fluorometric and photodiode array detection to ensure optimum yields were obtained. As a result of various investigations, we determined the optimum setting for the Speed SFE Prime at a temperature of 40 to 60 degrees Celsius, a pressure of 150 bar, and an average CO2 flow rate of 2 liters per minute for 1 minute of static extraction, followed by 15 to 20 minutes of dynamic extraction. During the supercritical fluid extraction process, excessive heat is avoided to ensure the quality of Resveratrol. Furthermore, oxygen isolation protects Resveratrol from oxidation and prevents the proliferation of bacteria in an aerobic environment. Another advantage of using CO2 extraction is that it can achieve an extremely high purity of more than 99%, effectively retaining the active ingredients of Resveratrol. After extraction, the Resveratrol extract is placed on the watch glass in a -20 degrees Celsius freezer for 3 hours and then in a vacuum freeze dryer to remove the water content, resulting in a very high purity Resveratrol extract. We then repeat the process using the same principles for other plant ingredients until we have enough ingredients to produce a small sachet of the original Resveratrol. And in the liquid processing plant, we use our state-of-the-art technology, such as SFE, to ensure that each of the sachets contain 2 grams of Pinot Noir grape juice, together with at least 600 milligrams of selected trans-resveratrol extract and other plant polyphenols. By keeping the original polyphenols, we make sure that our customers can enjoy the real flavour of Pinot Noir. After that, the sachets are then sent to a strict quality control system for full-face disinfection using ultraviolet germicidal irradiation, UVGI. As we know, free radicals can cause a wide range of damage to the body by attacking life-giving substances, tissues and cells, thus accelerating the body's aging and triggering many diseases. The sachet of the original Resveratrol perfectly combines Resveratrol and 6 main polyphenols to detoxify and repair cells to prevent free radical damage and inhibit the production of inflammatory agents, thus preventing cellular inflammation, increasing antioxidants in our body and offering protection against cell damage. A sachet of the original Resveratrol a day will provide a strong shield for your body's cells. With healthy cells, diseases will also be less likely to develop. Follow the original brand's Detoxify, Restore and Resist program and let your body's cells return to their original state to regain your health once again.